how to combine liquefied gradients in Photoshop. Now this design was created in the previous video. Please check that out, how to create this design. But that's not the end point. What you can do, just click here to unlock in the Layers panel. Then go to Layer and Duplicate Layer. Click OK. And then you can rotate it. Just rotate it around. Go here to the Layers panel and go to Normal and then down to Lighten. And you can see now you've got two gradients. But you can also hold the Alt or Option key down and drag to duplicate it. So just going to do that and just drag there. Now, unfortunately, what happens, of course, you're going to get that cutoff point there with the bounding box. Oh, to actually see the bounding box, make certain this is on. Show Transform Controls. Makes it a whole lot easier. And you can rotate it. And you can also stretch it. So just drag it down there and press Return. Just make certain that the line, that cutoff point, has been removed from this. Maybe just stretch that a bit further. And press Return. Do exactly the same. Hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate again. Just drag that down there. And what you can also do is go to Filter and Liquefy. So in Liquefy, it will be just working with that layer. Make certain pin edges is on, 784, 100, 72, and use the Forward Warp tool. And just drag. Now, you've obviously got this black area there. I'm not too worried about that. So I'm just going to distort that design. So you can distort it in all kinds of different ways. And then click OK. And you can see the result of that. And again, hold down the Alt or Option key and drag, duplicate that as well. And you can rotate that or maybe reduce the size. Up to you. And you can repeat that multiple times until build up all kinds of complex designs. Once you're happy with it, go to Layer, press Return, go to Layer and Flatten Image. And there's the end result. Just quickly zoom in so you can see it a bit better. Now, of course, you can manipulate it further. Maybe go to Filter and go down to Stylize and Oil Paint. Just use that. Go with 9.3, 7.8. None of the other settings are on. And click OK. And apply it a couple of times. So Filter and Oil Paint. And then go to Image, Adjustments and Levels. Just to brighten it up a bit. Oil Paint always seems to make it a bit duller. Just change that, tweak that. You get a really lovely glowing effect, especially using that lighten. And click OK. The end result also, if you wish, can we go Filter and Liquefy and distort that. And you can sort of warp that using exactly the same settings. So you don't have to keep it obviously the same settings, but I think it's quite useful. Just go with that and distort it again. And then click OK. That's the end result. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.